Do you remember bells I say they are around 430 hertz, ne? And we know ukuthi at around 430 hertz you start to relax. At around 520 hertz your DNA starts healing. So those things, my churches were healing machines. There was no hospitals before kuba nama churches. My churches hospital akhona bakhiphela ngeni, bagqokisa ilineni, you had copper cup. Why? For frequency, it's high frequency compared to ini to what you call this thing? Iron or steel, whatever the other material is. It's high frequency.
Yeah,
inkomishi benziwe ngecopper during that time before Rockefeller took over the world in the Standard Oil sack. And then after World War I, Rockefeller wathini one of the problems bekadibana nawo ukuze Standard Oil sack esikhule, the company yakhe Standard Oil, begini the lack of workers. So he said, you know what, I'm going to start what I call education. The whole purpose is what is create what? Workers. That the guy who started education as we know it. Before then it was churches. Churches, they were teaching people how to grow food, how to stay healthy and whatnot. Because frequency is also how you stay holy. High frequency is holiness. Low frequency is what? It's like falling into sin. That's why makuthiwa uyabona umuntu mafe wakhuba uzutela umuntu like uthini ungiphula umoya yazi lo muntu uyazizwa nawe ngisho mangathamba othandaza uNkulunkulu same time uyazizwa ukuthi lento engikhuluma ayikho lana until wenzeni umxolele. That's why Jesus emphasized so much kuphi ku forgiveness. Forgiveness is not yayizwa uthi Jesu forgive akathamba ask for what? Apology. Noma hamba utshela umuntu abuya azoxolisa. No, forgive. Because once you forgive, you are what? You are high frequency. Okay.